Yup. Right back at another video, man. Hey, man. We got, hold on. We got Duke getting girl's number with the flip phone in Miami, man. Hey, man, look, man. Y'all know we came here to do, man. Y'all know we didn't come here to do, man. We came here to get straight to the point. What we didn't come to do, man, it's all that other stuff, man. With that being said, let's get right to the video. Get it. Book today, merch out. Oh, 900K today, merch out now. Say that.
Hey, 900K, man. Today, bro. That merch out too, man. Link in the description, man. Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all sub up, bro. Hey, the board say Q and Dirt not fucking nothing, man.
They got a damn elevator in their career.
No, not me. Hey, not him. This nigga, bro. Q and Dirt not gonna fuck.
Is that what?
Hey, what you think, man? You think you gonna hear something while you down here, man? Think you gonna hear something?
I'm just enjoying the scenery.
What?
Just, you know,
I feel you, my brother. I ain't hearing nothing
you're
while
a
I'm
smooth
down here.
criminal.
Huh?
Smooth criminal.
You a smooth criminal? You try to back up me last night?
Yeah.
I didn't mean to.
That's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell him what he did. Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? See this right here? I need that right there. I need to give me one of these right here. What they at? God damn, baby boy. Hey, I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this phone, with this flip phone right here, man. Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy. Hey, yeah, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers do I can get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone right here, huh?
No.
But you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't.
I think when you put them on out, you might get about a good 10.
But I'm gonna secure the number first. I'm like, hey, you want to say, you got a boyfriend? Yeah. Let me get your number.
Always. Gotta ask her that.
And when they say yeah, I'm like,
Oh, what the f is that?
what? So I'm gonna pull it out. And then I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, so I'm like, hey, put your IG in there too.
That motherfucker real?
Nah, I just bought it for like $30. 30, right here, 30. Ain't about 30.
How they at low?
Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I was just gonna say the same.
Yes, sir.
Damn, it's like that?
Look, you on you.
Dog got some pretty eyes, man.
Oh,
Got some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers, man. Hey, Chad, man.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, you can take a picture. Say,
Come on. You're not even taking my picture for real.
yeah, he taking your picture.
I swear to God, he not.
Well, you gotta really pose though, bro.
I am.
Yeah, y'all gotta pose. Yeah, pose. Yes, ma'am, pose.
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Still going.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video.
Just screenshot it, folks.
live.
Yeah, this is real life.
I thought that was a fucking.
How you doing?
Look at my head. That's what I'm. If we're on YouTube, that could be on Snap.
Oh yeah, yes, ma'am.
Get the camera. Yes. You gotta get in it too. Come on.
Who got the camera?
But you can't be in it.
I can be
Yeah, he could be in it, man. He could be in it, man.
I love it. What y'all doing? What y'all get into?
Oh, we chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
You need my number?
Yeah, I need your number, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's your phone?
You gonna play me like that right there?
I think gonna play like that right
Hey,
there.
baby, you gonna play me like that right there?
That's your phone?
No, I thought that
Nah, your number
was
not,
Put
man.
that back up. Put that back up.
Damn, it's like that?
Hold on, it's a video. Hold on, don't do
You
it.
don't need that. I'm like, you don't need that. It's big.
But it's fucked up though, boy. When you judging niggas off their phone, boy, my dog is rapping that ass. Fuck that though, you judging
Damn,
niggas off their phone.
what he is, 2 for 2?
I would've gave you my number still. Like, that's
But niggas,
He out there G'd out for real.
I'm just doing it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah,
You probably ain't gonna get no number.
I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I do need your number for real though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
He said, yep.
NICHOLE.
No, I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you
name.
gonna text me with your name?
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Yes, ma'am. Bet. Say that, man.
Alright.
For sure. Nice to meet you though.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
What?
man.
Oh, yeah, I'm down though.
Wait.
Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy
Yeah.
came from the military, hustling. Now he up, getting back to his dog. You feel me? I fuck with all y'all boys got going on, man.
For sure, man.
All y'all
I
boys,
know
for
what
real.
you out
I
here
know
doing.
a story,
I know you out
man.
here going crazy.
You know, I be on the TikTok, like, they be
I
like,
already know who you is.
You know,
what I'm saying? I know
get
you
a
feel
fly
me.
real quick.
Yeah, man, let's do this, man.
Hey, man, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right, do, but that boy got the.
Oh yeah, not no more, man. I ain't doing
Come on
that no
now.
more, man. You know
Yeah, that
what
boy
I'm saying?
do out here.
Hey,
That boy
what you
turn
got
to a
going on,
Florida
though?
boy, man.
What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey,
I
man,
know what you
look.
out here doing, but I want to hear you tell me what you out here doing.
I'm out here working.
Okay.
I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the Smash Pass and do what I do.
Okay.
Seen it.
That's what I do right
Okay.
here.
You
You
think you gonna get pass or what?
Hey, smashing. And look, I'm not just gonna get smashing. I'm bringing them back. I need
You actually smashed it.
Yeah. Come on now.
I'm with you. I be seeing
Yeah.
you, boy. You be going
Hey,
crazy as
man.
hell,
We
boy.
all be working. All them boys be working.
Oh, yeah,
Real
working.
quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah,
you
but
feel me?
hey,
People
hey,
don't.
my shit filming too, man.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey, man, look, extra wavy, look. Remember the name. Remember
they
the
done
face.
seen you,
Be all
man.
over the place, man.
They done
Yeah.
seen you, man. They done see you all
I
over
know who that
TikTok,
is.
man. For sure, man. Hey, this video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my laugh in. You know what I'm saying? If I keep my laugh in and actually be with a straight face, whenever they say, "Bro, what the hell is that?" I'll be straight. But it's hard though, bro. It's hard. I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it.
Cause I do watch y'all. I got
yeah?
my kids.
Yeah, no, boy. What'd you say?
You're funny as fuck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You look good too, man. For sure. Matter of fact, man, I need to get your number or something, man. Come here, man. Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have
Talking about why you got this right there.
All right, man. I can't do it, man. I can't do it.
can't do
No.
it.
No.
You can't.
Yeah, no. I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
No, I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face. I'm trying to keep a straight
What are
face.
you trying to do with the flip phone?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You gotta be more serious.
If I start laughing, I can get it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
For sure. Next time I'm be straight up, nigga.
You gotta be like serious face.
Yeah.
You gotta be like 10
Straight
I
up.
seen him get one
Straight
though.
up type
You like, you
shit.
feel me? This is, you feel me?
Yeah,
I'm Duke, can I
put-
get your number type shit?
Yeah,
You feel me?
yeah.
And then pull it out.
Yeah,
And
without
then
laughing.
Once you
The
start laughing,
confidence.
you be like, man.
Like, what the fuck you laughing
like,
at?
What the fuck you laughing at?
Yeah,
You feel me?
type
Give me your number. You either you gonna give it, you're not gonna get it. Be like, I'm a fine ass nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh, word? Okay, bet. Say less. All right, bet. You lifting your back toe like you
I
I
know
seen
it's better
this, bro.
posture.
Dookie, where you going? Hey, boy. If you would have tried to put your ass on me, boy, I would slap the fuck out you, boy.
Testing your limits.
I would slap the fuck out you, boy. Can I get like 30 seconds? Yeah. What you is? You want a picture with me, bro? You a pussy, bro? Yeah. Yeah, I want a picture with you, my nigga. What's up?
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah. What's up? Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture too?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Own it.
Amaya.
Own it.
Yeah.
Own it.
Huh?
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
You too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, shit. Bitch, wait. Wait, was Kai here yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh-wee.
Where's that fan behavior?
I ain't gonna lie, that ain't your girl no more, boy. She ain't gonna do it on, hey, boy. I ain't gonna lie, my boy. That probably ain't chicken. She probably didn't caught something out there, boy. She probably didn't caught about 2 bodies out there, my boy.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good or whatever. What's your
My
name?
name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh, shit,
Yeah.
some Chicago niggas just walked out, man.
They was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
You gonna take a picture with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, wait. The bundles, you feel me? Look at a second. They all poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you were looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
You own it, dude.
Man,
Ain't
man,
you?
come here, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Come on, man. What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that shit
You got
twice.
Desi, you got a boyfriend?
No.
I got your number?
Do you have a...
What?
Do you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you on the
feel
strip.
me? Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh, goddamn. They say shit like that, don't they?
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay.
You can't even put that bitch out.
Yeah, pull that motherfucker.
You laughing this shit, folks. He can't even get that motherfucker out of his pocket, folks.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on?
What you a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to say? Yeah, man.
Goofy
Telefono? What that say?
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about? I'm
Not the flip, not the trap phone.
She said she can't get the trap phone.
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I don't get no fuck if you got a little flip.
Not the scamming line.
No, I was just seeing what you was on. God damn, that's it,
I
man.
know you ain't gonna text me. It's cool. Oh shit, I try to say my name, but I text you to my name though.
That's cool. I know who it is. Now.
It's Desi. Say that shit twice.
I see you. You typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
We was looking for you.
Damn, everybody looking for you, nigga.
Oh, y'all really? For the matter of fact, yeah. What's up?
What's up? What y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
She on you. She on you.
What's up? You got a boyfriend?
No, you better go.
Okay, nope. Nope. Put your number in this right here.
Where's the actual phone? Which fan I need
Yeah,
the
they
actual.
see, for they know you got money, for so you pull out a flip phone for. They not really gonna think much of it, for, cause nigga, you out there fresh as shit. I don't know if you got your grills on or not, but you know, I don't know if you got your grills on or not, for. But for they thinking you a scammer for when you up the flip phone. They think like, yeah, he a scammer for. He, you know, that's the little jug phone. You know, typically though, scammers don't even use flip phones, for. I ain't gonna lie, unless they a real old school scammer for. That's the only time you really see a real scammer using a real flip phone. Most scammers, bro, they most likely got an Android or something for a little Android touchscreen for. They ain't gonna be pulling out no damn flip phone for unless they really old school for. Like, really old school. Like over 25 old school. Nah, I ain't gonna say that. That's not really that old. Like over 28 old school. They upping them
Yes,
motherfuckers.
sir. Hey, look, New York motherfuckers, some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all doing, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
But yeah, nah, I got you, bro. I'll just fuck around. I just fuck around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like where's Chris? Tell Phantom I love him.
Hey, Phantom. Man, she love you, bro.
Phantom was out there too.
She really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy.
So I smoke a little hookies with you.
What's up?
Well, I'm Dominican too.
I be watching your videos online.
You see that?
I ain't beef for that nigga, man.
Hey, mama said, Phantom, when I said I was beefing over Georgia.
It was about to go down.
Huh?
They switch that shit, bro. They be switching that shit.
They be switching it.
Man, somebody had to tell him to do that though.
Hey, you really gotta change that. Oh, nah, bro. That's my dog. Hey, it's a little altercation.
You changed it now.
What?
You changed it now, right?
You here? Okay. Hey, who are these goddamn?
I don't know.
Sounds wild, man.
I'm working, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I'm over here working, man. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, they can break that motherfucker, ain't they?
But that's all it take, bro. Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy.
No
bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches, like literally chasing after bitches. You see me?
They chasing
Not
that
going
dude.
up to no bitches, bro. Not saying that it's anything wrong with going up to hoes, but I just can't find myself to just like chase after them, bro. If they ain't coming up to me, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Hey. Yeah, hold on. What's up, man? My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where,
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours from here.
Damn.
Yeah.
You got no boyfriend there, right?
Huh?
You got no boyfriend or nothing, do you?
Nah, you got a girlfriend?
I'm chilling, man. You know
Talk
what I'm saying?
somebody on me.
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying, talking to them type shit. Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone type shit. Alright, chill, calm down.
I didn't say nothing. You did, I just did a little look back.
You just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying? Type shit. I didn't want, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Oh my God.
Yep. I'm about to see you before you leave then.
Yeah, we gotta leave. Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, be doing the live chat. Hey, what a black one. I want a picture too. Take me a picture.
Exactly, man.
Oh my God. Oh, your phone. Thank you.
He around this motherfucker.
I'm gonna take my pic.
He said around my
I'm not gonna be out here.
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
What y'all do tonight?
He say, huh?
Shit. Yeah,
I know I was looking for old boy, but I want a fuking selfie. I don't want no picture.
Okay.
I want a video. I want to see the grills in your mouth, honey. Let's see if they shining. Shining. But they be like, y'all know who it is. Y'all stop playing with him.
So what y'all doing while you're asking?
my homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
It's a week party. Yeah.
He talking about cop party. That motherfucker busting.
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
Where y'all from?
You said what?
Where y'all from?
On my phone. It's right here, man.
You. Basically.
Yeah.
No, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Hold on.
You too wrong for be lying.
Oh, I'm not lying at all. I'm not lying at all.
But what?
Thank
I was just fucking with you with that. I didn't want to see what you was, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh yeah. Damn, bro, ain't nobody going for that, bro.
At all.
Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man. Yep. There's gonna be one person that do that.
I get a bitch that. What's that long? I already know. I mean, it's guys outside, no lie, bro. We just came out today.
Word.
We was here last weekend. 2 active, so we had to come back. We had to come back.
Damn.
So right back. We had to like Monday, I think.
I'm here till Monday. I'm already tired of this shit though.
Tired? Tired? What you mean tired? What you mean?
Hell yeah, you seen Kai?
Nah, I ain't seen him.
That nigga finna
I seen him
be-
last year.
He finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on.
Y'all already know y'all.
Yeah,
All
what's up,
right,
bro?
I'm gonna let y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice meeting y'all, boys.
So, my nigga.
Catch y'all, bro.
Everybody running this shit. You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, take it. Bro, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't
I
see
was
you.
sprinting with the camera.
I know, nigga. I see you running, nigga.
Hey, when you see somebody run, you just gotta run.
That's the black
Hey,
shit.
where my homeboys at, though, man?
Everybody saw
They
running.
going to be in it?
Yeah, I saw them.
Hi. What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Shit,
I'm sorry. I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know. They said they started shooting.
Hey, where was you at, though? No, you wasn't. I stayed.
On my mama, you ran, nigga.
That's what I'm
On my mama, this nigga ran, bro.
But he gonna say on my mama right there, bro?
On my mama, bro. On my mama, I looked at you. You took off. You probably stopped. But you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? That's cap, ain't it?
I don't know. I saw you start. I saw you start to go, and then you.
Look. I did like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
No, I jumped the fence to get out of the way.
Okay, but look, that's what I'm saying. I see you. I
I'm
see you
running.
goddamn start doing shit. So I'm like, all right.
Look, right over here, I came and jumped the fence. I caught him. I said, CB, chill.
Hey, you know what? But nigga, I knew, nigga, I didn't. I stopped like where the tree was at.
I'm gonna get out my car right now.
I bet.
You want one too?
Oh, that's fire right there. What y'all got going on later?
I think we ordered this party.
Word, I need to get your number.
My number?
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
let me put it in. Hold it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, babe.
Yo.
He really did it too.
Yo. This it right here? Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though. Dead ass.
Show.
Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O.
Show, like
I
Showtime?
fuck with that right there. All I had to do was keep it calm, bro. What?
I said, this the one right here.
I guess I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, 70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man. No cap, man. Getting females number with this flip phone right here is crazy. I'm not chasing after females, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They rizzing me up, bro. I ain't rizzing, you know what I'm saying, them up. But that's a lot of motherfucking problem, bro. Like, every nigga out here is chasing after the hoes, bro. So now you filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit whole time, bro. The niggas is chasing, bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? That type shit. Hold on, what you saying that was?
I ain't gonna lie. That's why I'm gonna keep it a bean. That's why I typically don't approach females, folks. I really don't, folks. I don't do all that for all that. I ain't gonna lie, folks. I might be on here bat my mouth like, yeah, folks, shorty decent with a I ain't gonna lie, I don't approach females, for that's too much boosting your ego, for I'm not giving your ass no ego, boy. That shit dead. I'll probably approach a couple females, for I'm not finna be going up to every bitch I see. Damn, shorty, how you doing? No. Over with. No. Unless shorty giving me that eye that she trying to get on that for, because obviously I'm not no damn Duke Dennis with nigga. Everybody know who he is and he got a name and shit, so he don't have to chase bitches. Unless shorty give me that eye for, because you know you in Miami for, typically you in Miami for, they giving motherfuckers that eye, bro, like, yeah, you decent with it. Unless you give me, I'm not talking that shit. Let her mug me anyway, type of, let her look at me wrong, for I'm not giving her no type of attention, for I'm gonna look at her, look away, for. Now, if she give me that eye, she staring at me, for I'm on her, for, straight up, but I'm not giving you no attention, for it's over with. I'm gonna keep it pushing, for I don't give a fuck if you a 10 out of 10, for decent as hell, thick as hell, natural, whatever, for Mexican, if you not showing me no interest, for I'm not approaching you, for I'm not cold approaching shit. This shit dead. I'm cool.
Dina.
Yeah.
Right
well,
up.
nice
You
to
do
meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out.
Me?
Hell yeah. Where you from?
Michigan.
Word.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man. Yeah, put your phone in there right there, man.
Okay.
Oh shit! You know what?
Ask no question.
You a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right here. Yeah, man. Nah, it's tough, man. Hold on. That's fire right there, man. You went straight forward though. Well, I like to see right there, man.
This is my friend. This is my friend Pari.
I just bought this.
This is my
motherfucker,
friend
bro.
Pari. Okay.
Oh,
I look good. I'm a famous TikToker.
Oh, what? What you be doing on
Pari
there?
the Brat. I be doing everything goofy.
Type shit.
Yeah.
For sure. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, ma'am. Bro, why the fuck I come back from being on the strip? Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks. Hey, I just.
That motherfucker got their cover.
You know, I'm supposed to sneak this and like a motherfucker. Oh no, ain't nothing wrong. Sharing is caring, but nigga, we ain't even really ate nothing like that. They got them. She going in there getting 3-4 gummy bears. Psh, the fellas tripping, man. Damn,
Tweaking, ain't they? They out there tweaking, for they got the shorties eating all the damn gummy bears. They out there tweaking, for I need the gummy bears, you know?